Yeah. So next question we are going to discuss is based on permutation combination. So this question says that total number of 6-digit numbers in which only and all the 5 digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 appear is. So these are the options. Actually they want 6-digit number and they have given only 5 digits. Okay, so we are going to see how we'll do this problem. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So in this question we have 5 digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and we are supposed to form 6-digit number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 places and 5 digits. So and all of the digits should be used. That means one digit is going to recur. It is going to come 2 times. So out of these 5 digits we'll select one digit which will recur. That can be selected in 5C1 ways. Right, now we have 6 digits. For example, if suppose we selected digit 1, okay, then we will have digits like 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and we are supposed to then find out the number of arrangements of these digits. So those will be total number of different numbers in this arrangement. Okay, so we have 6 digits, out of which 2 are repeating. So total number of permutations will be 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. So answer is 5 into 6 factorial upon 2, that is 5 by 2 into 6 factorial. Okay.